253% year over year. Palantir, ladies and gentlemen, this growth has sparked interest and questions about the factors driving such a significant increase. In this video, I will explore the latest quarterly results from Palantir as shared by its management to understand the key elements behind this expansion. We will examine the company's revenue growth, order value, and commercial customer count, which are crucial to its success in both revenue and performance. Hey there, Tamir from FibonacciTraders.com. You're welcome for another daily episode, Stock a Day. You guessed it. Like, subscribe, and let's talk Palantir. Palantir's stock price have been rising in 2024, 253%. Why is Palantir's stock increasing so much? In this video, I will try to answer all these questions looking at the company's latest quarterly results as explained by their management. Ryan Taylor from Palantir management team noted that the revenue growth 30% year over year in the third quarter, driven by a growing AI revolution in the US. The commercial business momentum continued with 54% year over year growth. We all knew how strong Palantir was with governments because they are the best in their field, and governments have almost unlimited budgets for important contracts, especially in areas like the military. Palantir has been very successful in that area. Where they weren't growing as fast was with businesses because their services are expensive and few businesses could afford those services. But this is changing. Palantir's new strategy, the bootcamp strategy, has led to re-acceleration in that business segment, which is exciting for Palantir stock investors. The company says that with the commoditization of cognition and rapid AI model advancements, most AI investments focuses on improving large language models, LLMs, like ChatGPT. That will set AI apart is using these models in production by leveraging a company's rich context. Simply put, the difference will be using a company's own data with these LLMs to get the most out of them. This will drive the highest value from these models. Companies with rich data like Walmart and Home Depot can use the data to improve their business, giving them an advantage over smaller businesses that cannot afford Palantir services or don't have the data and analysis departments that larger businesses do have. This is what will separate the haves from the have-nots. As Palantir says, if you have a rich data and can hire a company like Palantir to make the most of it, you can really stand out from smaller businesses in your industry. That's what's happening. That's why Palantir is finding success with their services. One example they highlight is how they helped automated key underwriting workflow for an insurance company, reducing the typical response time from 2 weeks to just under 3 hours. This is a huge improvement. Even if you can cut something from 6 hours to 3 hours, you've improved your business process significantly. Large businesses have many opportunities to use Palantir to remove waste and improve productivity. Palantir's biggest opportunity is with enterprises. The government business will remain core, but US enterprises especially are ripe for disruption, and Palantir is well positioned to benefit. Last quarter, they closed many deals, and the evolving deal cycle as they take customers from prototype to production is boosting their US commercial business growth. This is the pilot program I mentioned earlier. They go into business, offer a free trial, demonstrate their capabilities, and then secure a contract once the business sees the value Palantir's adds. In the latest quarter, US commercial closed nearly 300 million in total contract value. Customer count grew by 77% year over year, accelerating from 37% growth in the same quarter last year. They gave examples like the bottled water manufacturer and a pharmaceutical company which signed 7-figure contracts less than 2 months after initial boot camps. This is a short time from when Palantir went into when a contract was signed. This won't always be the case, but there are instances where Palantir can quickly show a business how they can help, leading to a quick contract signing. This is what Palantir's driving. Palantir's stock is up 253% year over the year to date, driven by fundamental businesses improvement. You could say it's getting ahead of itself, and I've argued that it's a great business, but the valuation is now very high, trading at forward PE of 128. I mentioned the valuation was high when it was closer to 75.90, and now it's 128. It's stretched, but this doesn't take away the company's great performance and position in an industry with strong tailwinds. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's hit Palantir's chart. We have Palantir chart weekly, we have the Palantir chart on the daily, and as we can see, last week, the week of November 4th, Palantir just skyrocketed 40% to the upside after earnings. Now, on the daily, the 55 area needs to, on the weekly, 55 needs to hold the support, long continuation, and we can see 73 by the end of 2024, or maybe 87. Let me know in the comments below. On the daily, it looks like this. 2 trading days, some kind of a relax, cooling, which is perfectly fine as long as we're above the 57 on the daily. Even above the 54 on the daily, we're good to go. Palantir long towards 68 and 75. Let me know in the comments below. Are you holding Palantir? Which price? And what are your thoughts overall on Palantir? So once again, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you find it helpful, educational. If so, like, subscribe, check the links in the description below for more educational resources. Until the next video, stay safe.